One morning in Banana Forest, a young monkey left his treehouse and headed off to work. Just like every other day, he spent his time at the banana packing factory, earning leaves in exchange for his hard work. But on his very first payday, he got a big surprise. His boss handed him a pouch of leaves, but there were fewer than he expected. The young monkey immediately shouted, "Hey, I worked all month. Where did the rest of my leaves go?" His boss smiled and said, "Easy there, buddy. I didn't eat them. They went to the monkey government." The young monkey's eyes widened. "The monkey government? Who are they?" The boss walked him outside the factory and pointed toward a bridge in the distance. "See that bridge over there? The roads that don't wash away every time it rains, the forest police who catch banana thieves, the monkey hospital, and the schools where baby monkeys learn, all of that runs because of taxes." The young monkey scratched his head. "So part of my leaves are being used for things that help everyone?" The boss nodded. "Exactly, apes together strong." But the story doesn't end there, because taxes aren't just one thing. For example, whenever the young monkey earned leaves from working, he paid income tax. When he bought bananas from the farmer monkey, he paid sales tax. If he ever bought himself a giant treehouse, he'd probably pay property tax. Factories that polluted the forest rivers could be charged environmental taxes. And if he ever got rich enough to buy a golden banana-shaped yacht, he'd meet luxury tax. Yep. If your banana has diamonds on it, the monkey government is definitely going to notice. After a while, the young monkey started wondering why his paycheck seemed different from month to month. Some months he earned more leaves, but the amount he actually got to keep didn't increase as much as he expected. So he went to visit the wise accountant monkey. The wise monkey placed a few bananas on the ground and began explaining. "These are tax brackets. Let's say you pay 10% tax on your first 100 bananas of income. Then you pay 20% on the next 100 bananas. And any income above that could be taxed at an even higher rate." The young monkey panicked. "Wait a second. If I work harder, does that mean all my income gets taxed at the higher rate?" The wise monkey burst out laughing. "No, my friend. That's one of the oldest banana myths on the internet. Only the income that falls into the higher bracket gets taxed at the higher rate." The young monkey let out a sigh of relief. "So working harder is still worth it?" "Absolutely," said the wise monkey. Then he revealed another secret. He pointed to the safety helmet the monkey wore at work, the basket he used to carry bananas, and the training courses he had taken. These could qualify as tax deductions. If certain expenses are necessary for your job, they may reduce the amount of income that gets taxed. The young monkey got excited. "So I should keep all my receipts?" The wise monkey nodded. "Yes, sometimes receipts are worth more than bananas." Months passed, and eventually tax season arrived. All across the forest, monkeys started feeling a little nervous because it was finally time to file their tax return. The young monkey wanted to know what that actually meant. The wise accountant monkey explained, "First, you add up all the leaves you earned during the year. Then you include any deductions you qualify for. Next, you calculate how much tax you actually owe. Finally, you report everything to the monkey government." The young monkey asked, "What if I paid too much tax during the year?" The wise monkey smiled. "Then you may receive a tax refund." The young monkey's eyes lit up. "You mean the government gives me some leaves back?" "Exactly." The young monkey sat down in shock. "So it's basically like getting the correct change back from a banana vendor." Some monkeys worked at factories where taxes were automatically taken out of their paychecks. But monkeys who owned their own banana businesses had a different situation. They had to track their income throughout the year, make estimated tax payments, and keep detailed records. In short, taxes are often automatic for employee monkeys, while business owner monkeys have a lot more responsibility. Of course, not every monkey liked paying taxes. One day, a sneaky monkey declared, "I'm not paying taxes anymore. That way I get to keep more leaves." At first, the plan seemed brilliant, but before long, the monkey government noticed. First came penalties and interest. Then came collection actions and the possibility of losing assets. And in serious cases, jail time could even become a possibility. As the sneaky monkey sat behind bars, he could think of only one thing. Ramen didn't die for this. That's why taxes may seem boring, but in real life, they're a very serious subject. At the end of the day, the tax system isn't perfect. It can be confusing, it can be frustrating, and sometimes it can feel downright annoying. But taxes play an important role in keeping roads, schools, hospitals, and many other public services running. If you want to manage your own leaves more effectively, consider creating a budget before tax season, keeping organized records of your income and expenses, and getting help from a qualified tax professional if needed. This is not financial advice, just a friendly conversation from the forest. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. And remember, counting bananas is great, but understanding where your leaves go is what financial literacy is all about. See you in the next Bananomics adventure.